Hey guys, today I'm going to show y'all how to fix basically any problems with mobile data. So to resolve any problems with mobile data, you will firstly need to go into settings, scroll to the very bottom and go into system, then go into reset options, which are here, and reset network settings. Reset settings. Now you'll need to type in your lock screen password. In my case it is pattern, and then you'll need to tap on reset settings to confirm. And that's going to be all of your problems should be fixed right now. And if I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.